Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a thermostat in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. You'll need a new thermostat, gasket, and fresh coolant. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. This guide will walk you through each step, from draining the old coolant to refilling the system. It's a straightforward repair that can save you money and keep your engine running efficiently. Before we begin, let's gather our tools. You'll need a 13mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension for the housing bolts. Pliers are useful for hose clamps, and a large drain pan is essential for catching the old coolant. Make sure you have a new thermostat and gasket ready. Always work on a cool engine to avoid severe burns from hot coolant or engine components. Safety first, always. Now, let's get to removing the old thermostat. First, locate the upper radiator hose connected to the thermostat housing. Use pliers to loosen the hose clamp and carefully pull the hose off. Next, use your 13mm socket to remove the 2 or 3 bolts securing the thermostat housing. Once the bolts are out, gently pry the housing open. Be prepared for a small amount of coolant to spill. Remove the old thermostat and its gasket. With the old thermostat out, it's time for the new one. Insert the new thermostat, making sure the spring side faces into the engine block. Place the new gasket correctly, then reattach the housing and tighten the bolts to about 18 foot-pounds of torque. Reconnect the upper radiator hose and secure its clamp. Finally, refill your cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant. Bleed any air from the system and check for leaks after a test drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.